Okay, this is a 1960s North Texas ranch flip with some additions. And so far, it's fared pretty, for what I do and the level I bring to the inspection process, this structure, this home has fared pretty well. It's not perfect, none of them are perfect, especially after I show up, but the doorbell works. I don't know if you could have heard that with the birds and what, but it does work. We have carpet, wood, and ceramic tile floor coverings. Okay. This is the front bedroom, front guest bedroom. Home faces west. That's the northwest bedroom. We do not have a smoke alarm outside of the door. This is the closest smoke alarm over here. We service the main living area, which is good, but that's easily 18 feet to this bedroom. The smoke alarm, carbon monoxide combo should be installed closer to the door. Coming in, the windows, which have all been replaced, are double pane vinyl frame with UV. There's a torn screen right there. Alright. So far, none of the bathrooms have vanity mirrors, which the inspector appreciates, but you might want one of those. Some of those. Now, the first time I turned on a bathroom vent fan, I thought it was slow to start. But that's been consistent with every vent fan. Okay? All the smoke alarms that are present did work. The only place I found lacking for the location of a smoke alarm was outside of this door. All of the bathroom vent fans are slow goes. None of the vanity mirrors are present. Ceramic tile. Okay? When you come in here, this home has been staged for sale. And you've got some exciting design options. You have the couch over here facing the fireplace, and you have lamps on the end tables. There is not a floor receptacle outlet underneath there. If you want power to these lamps, they're going to have to come from someplace, but these lamps are not energized. This is the front west southwest bedroom. This is where the crawl space access is, and there's a light in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be kind of exciting to get into that thing. And the crawl space access is 26 by 14 inches. So it's in a room, and obviously it's some poly. We'll get into that when it's time. Bathrooms, fine. Nothing really eventful here. We're on the south side, southwest bedroom. This is the attic access right there. Again, we'll get into that. This is the office area. Maybe it's a small, whatever, office area. Okay. No smoke alarm in here. If this was used as a bedroom, you wouldn't have a privacy latch regardless. These loft barn slider doors, okay, they have some little stops right there that I guess keep the door from hitting the wall. They do not keep the wall, and then you have the stops there to keep them from running off the trail. But what you don't have is anything that keeps the doors from swinging free, and they do swing free. In fact, they kind of swing out, so the doors are the doors are farther from the wall along their bottom rails than they are along their top rails. This fireplace is a fabricated fireplace. Okay, we're going to operate that in a little bit. You have a spark arrestor screen. Okay, 8 inches, 18 inches. Alright, so that's over 24 inches. This is where the key goes, and so far a key is not present. I have one. We'll try that. Refrigerators are beyond the scope of the inspection. However, there's a data plate down there, and I'll collect that information. These receptacle outlets along this wall, they have a device called a goof ring installed behind them, and that's a good thing. If they did not have that device, I would have called them out. This stove right here, this cooktop. Let's see if we can get in underneath there. And there's a hole in the wall. Alright. Gap in the wall from the gas line. Let's see if we can get the other one. Alright. So your fire blocking is being compromised there. I think I got a better still image of that. You should have an escutcheon plate there. Still looking for, actually I'm looking for a gas valve stop, and I'm not seeing that either. So I'll take a better look, but that's what we've got. This does work better. I'll put that up underneath here. This is a 5/8 horsepower garbage disposal. If this was a 1 horsepower garbage disposal, this switch would have been improper. But since it's, they're not focusing very good here. Getting in to get you all blurry eyed. Alright, since it's not a 1 horsepower garbage disposal, then it's acceptable to have a switch out of sight, according to the manufacturer. 5/8, difference between 5/8 and 1, I don't know about the spirit of that. Over here, this is the kitchen. You should have a vent. Okay, you can't have a vent going through the ceiling, but you should have a vent. There's air admittance valves that can be installed on these things. You do have a double, but it doesn't make a U, it doesn't make a bridge. I'm a little lost on the technical explanation for that thing, but I'll have it for you on the inspection report. Bottom line is this could have been vented properly better. The dishwasher anti-siphon loop is only required to touch the bottom of the sink. This is a deep farmer's sink, and so farmhouse sink, and I don't know if that meets the intent. This unit, no doubt, has an anti-siphon loop installed inside of the cabinet, but I cannot see it, I cannot prove it. Okay, this is a very nice oven here. It has a steam feature and a convection feature, and those features are beyond the scope of a track inspection. The microwave works very fine. The oven's cooking right on along. We're going to come along in here. Have a little bit of wood paneling up there. Okay, this is the laundry. Now in the laundry, this is called a foul line, F-O-U-L. Okay, that's where all the cooties hide, the bacteria hides. You're not supposed to have foul lines on sinks. I see it quite often. I'm not apologizing for it. The clothes dryer vent, okay, that should have been labeled. It should have been labeled for the length and the width, so that you know what kind of equipment would work best with this. Labeled hot and cold, all looks good. Coming in, this is the thermostat for the house. Okay, it's a smart thermostat, which is what I would have recommended. When you come into the house, the thermostat is located in the little hallway between the laundry and the master bedroom door. Smoke alarms, smoke alarms. Okay, this is the return air grill. I'm going to assume we're going to find the filter in the attic. Okay, carpet, walls, floors. This floor measured very well, by the way. Okay, I shot it with a zip level, and there was over 2 inches of floor height elevation differential, maybe a little less. This is a garden tub. This home does not have a jacuzzi bathtub. This is the master shower. I put that paper in there. I'm going to stop that up and run some water here in a little bit. That's what I use. Initially I used that for the microwave first before I did the shower, and the microwave does work. So this is again, for what I do, this is a pretty nice, this house is coming, at least the interior is coming in through unscathed. Oh, by the way, the front door, Columbo here, one more thing, the front door does not latch properly. So there's that.